Does this feel a bit better than Lancia?
Well, I haven't driven. That's the first time I've sat in it, just coming in here. So we're hoping to do some testing this afternoon. But I'm sure it should be a bit better than the Lancia.
Where are you going testing?
I don't know. It's up the Ballymena way, I think. Just a couple of hours just to settle the suspension in and make sure, find out what the car does in the bumps.
Changing character this year. What's going to be the tactics of the car? Good luck to you. Jimmy McRae heading away and aiming for that 5th win on the second line.
Good rally, man.
Under the circumstances.
Jimmy, that's something you've had a fair bit of practice doing here on the circuit.
Yeah, it's always nice. Never goes boring.